Step 1 is consent. Talk with your partner about the decision to have sex and the different types of protection you can use.
Check the expiration date on the side of the package and look for any holes, tears, or signs of damage. A damaged condom may not be safe. A damaged or expired condom can increase the chances of pregnancy and STIs.
Carefully open the package and remove the condom. Use your hand, not your teeth or scissors, to avoid breaking the condom.
Step 4. Make sure that the condom is ready to roll down the right way. The rim should be on the outside so that it looks like a little hat and it will unroll easily. You can unroll it a little bit before putting it on to make sure that it is right side out. If you accidentally put a condom on that is inside out, please don't flip it around and try to reuse it. Get a new one.
Pinch the tip of the condom and put it on the head of the penis. Leave a little bit of room for semen to collect. If you have a foreskin, it might be more comfortable if you pull it back before you put on the condom.
So step 6, roll the condom all the way down to the base, and you might want to use some lube to avoid the condom from breaking.
Step 7. After ejaculation, hold on to the rim of the condom at the base of the penis. Make sure you hold that rim tightly so that the fluid inside the condom doesn't spill out. Then, withdraw from your partner.
Carefully remove the condom, then throw it in the garbage. Don't flush it down the toilet, it clogs pipes.
So you can't reuse a condom. Use a new condom if you and your partner both want to have sex.